Hi guys, today we have a hobby box of 2017 Panini Certified. It's only been on the shelf for 2 days, so we're pretty excited to rip this thing open and see what's inside. Give it the full effect here. There we go. All right, here we go, pack one. Now in this hobby box, there are 4 autographs or memorabilia cards per box on average. The rumor is it's usually a 2-and-2 situation, so 2 autos, 2 mems. And let's see what's in pack number 1. All right, first card up, Jadeveon Clowney. Little background here. I am just your standard 35-year-old human, and me and my son love going through cards. It's a little reminiscent for me. I was big on them back in the 80s, and I'm just getting back into them. So I have my 12-year-old son B with me. Say hi, B.
Hi.
Perfect. So hopefully this will be the first of many videos, and we'll do them together. Okay. Now, you can probably pronounce them better than me, but we got a nice numbered card here. Obi Melanfonwu, 100 of 999. That's kind of cool that it's number 100. Here we go. We got a really nice mem card here. We got Ndamukong Suh, numbered, number 9 of 60, it looks like, or 5 of 60. That is a very cool card.
9 of 50.
Okay, good. So Dad's a little bit more blind than son, but what a beautiful card. That's a very cool card. I like that pull a lot. Very cool. All right, then we have a Corey Davis gold team. Very cool. And then Todd Gurley II. Very cool. That's a nice pull. I really like that. I'm going back to that Suh card for a minute. I really like this card. It's a good D tackle. Okay. 10 packs in here. We are on pack number 2. Okay, right out of the chute, first card, Russell Wilson. Standard base card here. Larry Fitzgerald. And then we have ourselves one of the filler cards there. And then we have a Leonard Floyd, numbered 286 of 499. Very cool colors on these cards. Certifieds are very nice cards. And look at this, another Ndamukong Suh. Apparently he's cheap in these boxes. Very cool. Certified shutdown. And there's always a little bit of information on the back. Don't forget to read the backs. They're pretty interesting. And then to finish the pack is Jay Ajayi. Base card there. Okay. So far we have the one now. Number 3, AJ Green, nice looking base card there, followed by a Le'Veon Bell, nice looking base card as well. Boy, they sure make cards nicer than they did in the 80s. Looks like we have a Jermaine Kearse auto, very cool card, numbered 13 of 60. That is a very neat card. Mirror signatures. And then we have a James Harrison certified shutdown, numbered to 10. Very rare card. 6 of 10. Very cool. And then we have something, as a guy from Minnesota, I'm not sure that I'll get used to, is Adrian Peterson in a Saints uniform. Good box so far, good box. Shout out to our local card store, Pals Sports Cards in Andover, Minnesota. If you have an opportunity, I would highly recommend going there. Very nice people, good prices. Hiding a Khalil Mack in the back. We'll get to that. First card up is a base Kyle Rudolph. And a little throwback here, the Immortals. That is a numbered card, 100 of 999. Bruce Smith. Very cool. That's from Dad's era here. Got a filler card there to fake you out a little bit. And then we have a very cool numbered card here, a 7 of 99 Matt Forte. Very cool. Tell you, this box was $98, I believe, at my local card store, and so far I'm enjoying it very much. And we have a certified accomplishments, Jordy Nelson, Comeback Player of the Year 2016. Very neat cards. And then a really good linebacker, Khalil Mack, another base card here. Okay. The saga continues. Let's keep going. Should be pack number 5 here we are on. And to start the pack, we have a Jordan Matthews base card. And then followed by Tom Brady, arguably the best quarterback to ever play the game. And then we have a CJ Beathard, numbered 18 of 199. And what did you say there, B?
2-color patch. Pretty cool.
Okay, very cool. Even a little stitching on there. That's pretty neat. It's a rookie card. We'll see how he pans out. Everybody knows the 49ers could use some quarterback help. So we'll see if he can help them. Cool. And then, one of the better linebackers to ever play the game, certified champion, Ray Lewis. Very cool card there. Finish it off with a base Lamar Miller. Very neat. Okay, halfway through this thing. So we're into pack number 6 here. And we will start this pack off with a base Richard Sherman card. And then a Marshawn Lattimore rookie card. That is 671 of 999. Cool looking card. Have a filler card in here. Followed by a Matt Ryan, 404 of 499. Boy, these are neat cards. Just the way they reflect light and stuff. And then we have a certified gold team Deshaun Watson. I think everybody's waiting to see how he's going to do. It's a very cool card here. And then we're finishing it up with a Dez Bryant base. Pretty cool action card. All right. Let's try it again. Sammy Watkins base. Jordy Nelson base from Minnesota, remember, so we don't really care about these. Then we have an Immortals card, Jerome Bettis, the Bus. And then a certified accomplishment, Steve Young, most valuable player. I am sorry, that Jerome Bettis, D has pointed out, is a numbered card, 475 of 499. And then we have a Jeremy Curley base card. Okay, pack pack number 7, it looks like. Only on 8. We're going to start off with a nice Travis Kelce base here. And a Kirk Cousins base. Then an infamous filler card in here. And then we have a Marcus Williams rookie card. Numbered 213, 299. Then, arguably again, one of the best quarterbacks to ever play the game, Peyton Manning, certified champion. And then a base Mike Glennon. Okay, starting this pack off, Jameis Winston base card. Alshon Jeffrey, another guy switching teams over to the Eagles. Then we have a Donta Foreman. That is pretty cool. Single color on that one. It's not numbered. Very cool card nonetheless. Then we have a certified shutdown Cam Chancellor. Certified shutdown Cam Chancellor. Very cool. Followed by a Derrick Henry base. And then what I think is the last pack in the box here. What I would consider to be a very nice box so far. Let's see how it finishes up. Start off with a Von Miller base. Kelvin Benjamin. Another filler. Then we have a very nice Von Miller numbered card, 178 of 299. Very good linebacker. Then a certified accomplishment, Eric Berry, 2015 Comeback Player of the Year. And then finishing the entire hobby box with a Marcus Mariota. Well, guys, thanks for watching. We hope this is the first of many videos. Appreciate it. Thank you.